It's up to parents now as the federal government clears the way for much younger Americans to be vaccinated against COVID. The President and First Lady and federal health officials have been participating in launch events this week, now that kids from 6 months to 5 years old are eligible for the COVID-19 vaccine.
DC Bureau reporter Nicole Castaneda has the latest details on the latest updates.
This is a big week for children and their families as 17 million kids are now eligible to get their COVID vaccines. The White House announced 10 million vaccines will be available throughout the country. President Biden and First Lady Jill Biden stopped by the DC Health COVID-19 Center to join one of the first groups of vaccinated kids.
You guys have any questions for me that aren't medical?
Although all the states have pre-ordered vaccines for kids, Florida is the only state that didn't do so. Governor Ron DeSantis said he recommends against vaccinating children, but said if parents want to, they can get the vaccine through doctors or hospitals.
Let's be clear. Elected officials shouldn't get in the way and make it more difficult for parents who want their children to be vaccinated, who want to protect them and those around them. This is no time for politics. It's about parents being able to do everything they can to keep their children safe.
As CNN said, even though in April only a fifth of the parents indicated they would rush to get their kids vaccinated, CDC Director Dr. Rochelle Walensky says she's positive that confidence will grow in parents.
We saw that with adult vaccination when first rolled out. About 35% of people were interested, but we now have nearly 90% of people who've had one dose. So we have work to do with our trusted messengers.
This is why not only the White House is encouraging parents, but doctors are also trying to spread the word that this is safe and necessary. Because even though kids have mild symptoms, they can infect people at higher risk of complications.
We now have more than 18 months of data to show that these vaccinations work, that they're effective, they save lives, they prevent hospitalizations, and they prevent transmission.
CVS and Walgreens announced they will administer Pfizer's COVID-19 vaccine to kids under 5 years old. From Washington, D.C., reporting for the South Florida Media Network, Nicole Castaneda.